Viewers, now we see how to insert a table in HTML page. It's very easy. We use the table tag. We open the tag and we close the tag. And the table consists of rows. So we use the tag for rows. So it's the first row, opening tag for the row and closing tag for the row. Say you want to make a table with 5 rows, so with 4 rows, so we will insert 4 rows. I copy this statement, this line, and paste it 4 times, 2, 3 and 4. And in each row you have multiple columns. So say this table has 2 columns, or so each row has 2 cells. For cells, we have the tag of TD, table definition, opening and closing of TD, again opening and closing of TD. So this table will have 4 rows and every row will have 2 cells, first cell and second cell. Say it is the cell number 1 and it is the cell number 2. So we copy paste all this again here, copy paste here, here. Okay, so this is a table which will have 4 rows and every row will have 2 cells, first cell, second cell, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6 and 7. So that's it. It's very simple. I save the page and reload the web page. This is a table. Right now it is a table, but the border is not visible. But you can see that all these cells are aligned like these are in table. Like if I change the content of one cell, the whole table will adjust itself. Like I add something in first in this cell, but the whole table will be adjusted accordingly. Look, the alignment was not disturbed, the whole table adjusted itself. So this is very important if you want to tabulate something, but if you want to show the border, you can add the attribute of border inside the table tag. Although tables are not so much used these days, because after the introduction of div tag, we prefer div over tables. But for the information, you can you must know about tables, and if you want to tabulate something, you can use the table tag. For border, you can use the border attribute. Say I say the border width should be 1 pixel, so here it's a border. And as you know, in any table, the first row is actually the heading row, which explains about the content of the columns. So for the heading row, we have a slightly different tag, that is the th tag. So let's add the first row, the heading row. For heading row, we will, instead of td tag, we will add th tags. So first heading tag, open and close, and second heading tag, open and close. So this is the heading 1. Say it is about name and it is about age, suppose. So it will be shown like this. The HTML automatically made it bold, so because it is heading, so it became bold. So that's it. This is the way how to insert table in the HTML web page.